Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another taco review. It's been like 2 weeks. I haven't posted anything, dude. We're at Mr. Chilaquil on 47th and Springfield. Carne asada. Tacos made hecho a mano. I'm looking for hot sauce. There we go. The meat's too chewy. I can't swallow it, dude. Hold on. Other than that, the tortilla is good, nice and the tortilla is crispy actually. But yeah, too chewy. Man, the taste is good though. I'll give it oh, the taco was $4.50. So that expensive. It had to be better, but I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Have a good one, guys.